dear children, this is Alok sir. Hope you all are fine and doing your study properly. So in this part of the video, I have brought some important numerical questions which are based on mirror formula and magnification. So let us start then. First question is that a 2 centimeter high object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from a concave mirror. A real image is formed at 40 centimeter from the mirror. Calculate the focal length of the mirror. So how will you calculate? First, try it by yourself by pausing the video. Pause the video and try it by yourself. Okay. Now I am solving it. See the solution. So whenever you try to solve a numerical question, first write down all the information provided by the question. So I am writing it down. A 2 centimeter high object means height of object is given, that is HO is 2 centimeter. Object is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter and object distance is taken as denoted by U and it is taken negative, that is U equals to minus 20 centimeters. Real image is formed. Image is real at 40 centimeter means this is negative. Image is real, so this is negative. V equals to minus 40 centimeter. So we have to calculate focal length, that is F equals to how much. So we will use mirror formula to calculate the question, that is 1 upon F equals to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U, and V equals to 1 upon minus 40 plus 1 over minus 20. This will become minus 1 upon 40 plus minus 1 upon 20. Also you can write that, and equalizing the denominator, this will become 40, and this is minus 1 plus minus minus, and this is 2. So 1 upon F equals to minus 3 upon 40, or you can also write 1 upon F equals to minus 3 upon 40, or F equals to minus 40 upon 3, which is equals to 13.33 with negative sign centimeter. So focal length of the mirror is calculated and it is equals to minus 13.3 centimeter. Very simple question was it. We only used the mirror formula. First we have written down the information provided by the question. Then we will use mirror formula and calculate the values. This is how we can calculate focal length when object distance and image distance is given. Now see the next question. Question number 2 is that an object 5 centimeter tall was placed in front of a spherical mirror at 20 centimeter distance from the mirror. If virtual image of 20 centimeter tall was formed behind the mirror, find the focal length of the mirror and the position of the image. Also name the type of mirror used. So first you solve the question by pausing the video. Okay, now see the solution. First I will write the information provided by the question, that is 5 centimeter tall means HO is given, height of object 5 centimeter, and was placed in front of 20 centimeter distance from the mirror, and object distance is denoted by U and it is negative, that is U equals to minus 20 centimeter. Virtual image 10 centimeter tall means height of image is also given, which is 10 centimeter. We have to calculate focal length equals to what? But for calculating focal length, we need to have object distance and image distance, but image distance is not there. So we will find image distance using formula of magnification. That is, we know that from the formula of magnification, hi upon ho equals to minus b by u. This is the formula of magnification. We will use this formula to calculate v. So v equals to minus u into hi upon minus u into hi upon ho. Now we will put the values. V equals to minus u into hi minus, and value of u is minus 20, and value of hi equals to 10 divided by value of ho equals to 5. 5 to the 10, 2. This will become v equals to minus minus plus, that is 20 into 2, or v equals to 40 centimeter. So we have calculated the value of image distance, that is v equals to 40 centimeter. Now using the formula v and u, we can calculate the focal length, which is the demand of the question. So 1 over f equals to 1 over v plus 1 over u. By putting the values, 1 over 40 plus 1 over minus 20, and this becomes 1 over 40 minus 1 over 20. So 1 over f equals to 1 over, equalizing the denominators, this will become 40, and this is 1 minus 2. So this will become minus 1 by 40. 1 over f equals to minus 1 over 40, or f equals to minus 40. So this is the focal length. F equals to minus 40 centimeter, v equals to 40 centimeter, and u equals to minus 20 centimeter. From the above information, it is clear that object is placed before focus, object is placed between pole and focus, that is focal length is larger than object distance. It shows that object is placed between pole and focus. That is why image is forming virtual and larger. So the image will be concave mirror. Concave mirror. So this is the answer. Now see the next question. Question number 3 is that an object of height 1.2 meter is placed before a concave mirror of focal length 20 centimeter, so that a real image is formed at a distance of 60 centimeter from it. Find the position of that object. What will be the height of the image formed? So in this question, we have to calculate object distance and height of the image. So first you try it by yourself by pausing the video. Okay, now see the solution. First I will write the information. An object is of height, that is ho is given, which is equals to 1.2 meter, placed before a concave mirror of focal length f is given. So mirror is concave, so his focal will be negative minus 20 centimeter. Real image is formed distance of 60 centimeter. Image is real, so image distance will be negative. B is minus 60 centimeter. We have to calculate object distance, that is u equals to how much. Using mirror formula, we have 1 over f equals to 1 over v plus 1 over u. By putting the values, so since we have to calculate the image distance, so 1 over v will be equals to 1 upon f minus 1 upon u. By transposing this formula, this will be equals to 1 upon minus 20 and minus 1 upon minus 60. Sorry, image distance is given. So this is 1 by u and 1 by v. V is minus 60. So we can write 1 minus 1 upon 20, and this is plus 1 upon 60. By equalizing the denominators, 1 over u equals to, this becomes 60 by taking LCM. This is minus 3 plus 1. So 1 over u equals to minus 2 by 60, or u equals to minus 30 centimeters. This is how we calculated object distance. So object distance is minus 30 centimeter. Now we calculate hi upon ho. Hi upon ho. Hi is how much? Hi is not given. We have to calculate what will be the height of the image. So hi upon ho equals to minus b by u, or hi equals to minus b by u into ho. So v equals to minus 60. So minus 60 and u equals to minus 30. So this is 2 into ho. So minus 2 into ho, and value of ho is given 1.2. So ultimately hi equals to minus 2 into 1.2 meter. So this will become minus 2.4 centimeter. So height of the image will be 2.4 centimeter. So in this question, we had to calculate object distance and height of the image. So this is how we calculated both the required things. So see the now next question. Now next question is that the image of an object formed by a mirror is real, inverted, and is of magnification minus 1. If the image is at a distance of 30 cm from the mirror, where is the object placed? This is the first part of the question. Find the position of the image if the object is now moved towards the mirror by 20 cm. What is the nature of the image obtained? Justify your answer with the help of ray diagram. So first try to solve it by yourself by pausing the video. Now see the solution. First I will write the information given by the question. So the image of an object formed by a mirror is real, inverted, and magnification is given, means m equals to minus 1. If the image is at the distance of 30 cm from the mirror, or image distance is given, that is v equals to minus 30 cm. Find the position from the mirror. Find the position of the image. No. If the image is at the distance of 30 cm from the mirror, where is the object placed. First we have to calculate where is the object placed. That is, we have to calculate u equals to what. We know that from the formula of magnification, m equals to -1 or m equals to minus b by u. So minus b by u equals to -1. Minus from both sides will be eliminated. So v upon u equals to 1 and v equals to -30. So v equals to u. So u equals to -30. As the value of u and v are same. Already we have seen that in the case of ray diagram, where is the image, where is the object placed, at which distance the object is placed, where image, size of object and size of image will be equal. So the object will be placed at center of curvature. So we have calculated u equals to -30. Now we will calculate focal length, that is f. F equals to what? Using the mirror formula, 1 upon f equals to 1 upon b plus 1 upon u, or this is 1 by -30 plus 1 by -30, or this is LCM 30 -1 and -1. So 1 upon f equals to -2 by 30 and f equals to -15 centimeter. We have calculated focal length, object distance. Now second part of the question is that if this is a mirror, this is the mirror, this is the principal axis, this is pole, focus and C. This is 15 and this is 30 centimeter. Second part of the question saying that if the object is now moved towards the mirror by 20 centimeter. First it is kept at the distance of 30 centimeter, as we have calculated that object distance is 30 centimeter. Now it is brought nearer to the mirror, that is 20 centimeter, means in this area beyond C and F, because C is 15 and this is 30. Object is placed at this place. So now object distance will be u equals to -30 plus 10 plus 20, because 20 centimeter nearer to the mirror, and we know that the direction of incident light, that is this direction, is taken as positive. So -30 plus 20. So now new object distance will be -10. New object distance will be -10 centimeter. F is already we have calculated -15 centimeter. Now what is the nature of image obtained? So we have to calculate V, or V equals to, or 1 by V equals to 1 upon F minus 1 upon U and 1 upon -15 plus 1 upon -10. This implies LCM will be 30. This is -2 and this is -3. Sorry, this is minus. So minus plus. -2 plus 3. This will give 1 upon 30. 1 upon V equals to 1 upon 30, or V equals to 30 plus 30 centimeter. Means the object is now, object distance is 10 centimeter, means it is between, F is 15 centimeter as you are seeing, and object is now 10 centimeter. Means it is between F and P. So image will be formed behind the mirror 30 centimeter. And if justify your answer with the help of ray diagram, we can also draw the ray diagram. That is, if the object in this area, so this will be like that. If you produce these two lines, image will be formed in this area, as you are seeing. This is the answer. First part is that magnification is given, image distance is given. We have to calculate object distance. By using formula of magnification, we have calculated the object distance. Now, using object distance and image distance, we have calculated the focal length. And the next part of the question says that when object is moved towards the mirror by 20 centimeter, then object distance, new object distance will be -10. Focal length is constant, so it will not change. So using this U and F, we will calculate V, and this V is real and erect. Sorry, virtual and erect. So this is the answer. Now see the next question. See the question number 5. A concave mirror produces 3 times enlarged real image of an object. Place 10 centimeter in front of it. Calculate the focal length of the mirror. We have to calculate the focal length. So first you try it by yourself, and this question was asked in CBSE 2016. So very important question is that. First you try to solve it yourself. Pause the video and solve the video. Solve the question. Pause the video and solve the question. Okay. Now I am solving that. So first write the information. A concave mirror produces 3 times enlarged real image of an object. Mirror is concave, so magnification will be negative. M equals to -3. Place 10 centimeter in front of it, means object distance is -10 centimeter. We have to calculate V for calculating focal length. So using the formula of magnification, M equals to -B by U, or -3 equals to -B by U. Minus from both sides will be eliminated. So V equals to 3 times U. This is, we have calculated V, and we know what is the value of U. So V will be 3 into -10. So object distance will be -30 centimeter. So we have calculated V, U is given. Now we will calculate the focal length of the mirror, which is the demand of the question. Using the formula, using the mirror formula. So 1 upon F equals to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. Put the values. That is 1 upon -30 plus 1 upon -10, or equalizing the denominators by taking LCM. This is 30, this is -1, and this is plus minus -3. So 1 upon F equals to -4 by 30, or F equals to -30 upon 4. F equals to 7.5 centimeter. So this is the focal length of the mirror. We have calculated the focal length, which was the demand of the question. So this is the end of the video. So these are the typical question. You practice more question and try to solve the NCERT exercises. This will give you more concept. This will make your concept more clear. So in next part, I will brought numericals from refraction, that is from the lenses. So this is the end of the video. Stay tuned and enjoy physics.